Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can adjust the page margins for your apps you create and edit and design on Base44. So let us guide you through this. So guys, here in the app editor on Base44, navigate to the given project, then switch to preview here at the top and access the edit mode by clicking to edit here. After that, click into the background here. And if you want to do this for the entire page, what you want to do, guys, is click into spacing here at the bottom, expand the margin settings by clicking into this button, and adjust the margin by clicking into these up and down arrows. As you can see, guys, right, we see this here in the preview, and that is going to assign margins to your page of the app of these units here, right? You can also click into that field and add a number like 10, something like that, or 2 or something like this, and that's how it would look like, right, with these margins. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.